Meet the Elite 100 V2, your camp light, your backup light, and the portable power that fits your life. From road trips and camping to unexpected outages at home, this compact powerhouse delivers big output, lightning-fast recharges, solar efficiency, and smart app control, all in a grab-and-go design.
Wherever you go, off-grid, off-road, or on-call, the Elite 100 V2 has your back every step of the way.
The Elite 100 V2 is built for real life. Deliver up to 2,700 watts with powerlifting mode for bigger appliances. Plug in up to 1,000 watts of solar and get a full charge in just 70 minutes. Or recharge with 1,200 watts AC charging, 80% in only 45 minutes. Need car charging? It's 6 times faster than before. Runs whisper quiet at just 30 dB, peaceful day or night. Keeps essentials running with a 10 millisecond UPS switchover during outages. And with a 10-year LFP battery and a solid 5-year warranty, this power station is ready for the long haul, wherever you need it.
Power in hand, wherever you head. From everyday convenience to off-grid resilience, the Elite series is ready for it all. Compact size, mega power. These portable stations deliver clean, dependable energy every step of the way. Whether you're chasing adventure far from the grid or bracing for an unexpected outage at home, the Elite 10 V2 keeps you powered up, no matter what comes your way. Easy to carry, effortless to explore. The Elite 100 V2 packs up to 2,700 watts of reliable power into a travel-sized build, ready to handle your most demanding devices. Anywhere, anytime. Outdoors, cook dinner, light up the night, or stream movies under the stars. No campsite outlet required. Working outdoors? Run power tools, laptops, drones, and cameras with zero noise and full mobility. And in an emergency, stay calm, connected, and fully powered with instant backup for your smartphone, lights, or radio when it matters most. Need backup at home? Keep essentials running. The fridge, Wi-Fi, even your microwave when the grid goes down. Wherever your next adventure or challenge takes you, take reliable power with you. Stay connected, stay ready, and explore without limits with the Elite 100 V2 by BLUETTI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gear that powers your freedom.